I'm using this pretty old Beyerdynamic MMX2 headset with the inbuilt microphone and found that the audio quality is not so good anymore. People told me I'm not so good understandable and it's pretty silent. Thought about maybe a new microphone would be nice, but these are pretty expensive and I didn't like the idea to have that standing on my desk all the time. So the other option was having a new headset maybe. I had these Superlux headphones, I never really liked them, and these, I think they're just too simple. So something that is really a step upwards would also be pretty expensive. Then I thought about maybe just I changed the microphone in my headset. And these electret microphones are pretty simple actually. It's just a condenser that modulates over the sound waves the output audio signal, which is amplified by your sound card. So I searched online for these electret microphones and there are plenty of these. At least here at DigiKey there are 1,400 different options. So I searched for two options that fit perfectly just like the original one, and a second one which is a little bit bigger but has supposedly a very good audio quality and a very good amplification. I just want to show you this. This is the audio quality of the stock microphone and the Beyerdynamic MMX2 headphone. This is a stock recording with the Aculit EMY63MP microphone, which has the same measurements as the original microphone that came in the Beyerdynamic MMX2 headset. So it's a direct replacement. You can ignore this setup here, just solder these pins to the cables in your headset. It has a pretty flat response and only costs 95 cents. This is a test recording with the PUI Audio AOM-5024L-HD-R microphone. The diameter is 9.7 millimeters, so at least in my case I had to modify the headset to fit this microphone. It has a very high sensitivity, a flat response, and can, just as the other ones, be directly mounted to your sound card. So I think this circuit is already existing in your sound card somewhere. And this costs €3.15, which means that it's one of the most expensive electret microphones out there.